Welcome to the ARDA.com's tutorial on finding international data on religion. In today's tutorial, we're going to go over how to find summary statistics on religion in nations and regions across the world. To begin, we're going to go up to the International tab and click on National Profiles. For this tutorial, we're going to look at religion in the country of France. On the box to the left, we find some basic information regarding the country's population, total area, and life expectancy at birth. On the box to the right, we find information regarding the largest religious groups in this country. In France, Christians make up the largest religious group. If we scroll down further on this page, we'll find a number of indices relating to government and social regulation on religion. Here we see there's a low amount of government regulation on religion and a low amount of religious persecution. However, there are moderate amounts of government favoritism of religion and social regulation of religion. Next, we're going to click on the Adherence tab. Here, we get to compare the percentages of religious adherence compared to Western Europe and the world. In France, 65.9% of religious adherents are Christian, which is pretty similar to Western Europe. However, it's substantially more than the rest of the world. If we scroll down further, we can get some more specific information regarding the religious demography of France. Next, we're going to click on the Religious Freedom tab. Here, we can look at some summary statistics of religious freedom and tolerance in this nation. We can also compare it to Western Europe and the world. Next, we're going to click on the SocioEconomic tab. Here we get a little more information about France's government, along with other information regarding education in that country, economic information, military measures, even demographic and health measures. So this tab can be very helpful to get a more broader outlook on this nation. Next, we're going to click on the Public Opinion tab. On this page, we get a very clear picture of religious beliefs and behaviors within this country according to the World Values Survey. For example, here we see that the percent attending religious services at least once a month has declined since 1981 in France, from 18% to 11% in 2005. Now we're going to click on the Constitution tab. With this feature, we can find out more information regarding freedom of religion in this nation's constitution. Here we see that France does provide for freedom of religion in its constitution. We're actually given a clause from the constitution relating to religion. Now we're going to go to the International tab and click Compare Nations. This is a cool feature where we can compare various information regarding religion and demographics across multiple nations. For this example, we're going to compare France to Italy. The layout for this feature is very similar to just the normal National Profiles page, except here we can actually compare the statistics to another nation, in this example, Italy. Next, we're going to go to the International tab and click Regional Profiles. We may be more interested in Western Europe more broadly than just France. So for this example, we're going to go to Western Europe, click on it, and we'll see that we get similar information to our national profile, but in this context, we can actually look more broadly at Western Europe. Lastly, we're going to go to our International tab and click on Maps. With this feature, we're going to create a new map looking at Europe, specifically with regards to religious persecution. Each country is given a certain value regarding religious persecution. We can see that, for the most part, there are not high amounts of religious persecution in Europe, with the exception of Bosnia. We can also scroll down and look at those specific religious persecution values by country. You should now be able to find international data on religion. Thank you for watching the ARDA.com's tutorial.